As the Russia-Ukraine crisis has sent global energy and food prices soaring, people in war-torn Afghanistan are feeling the pain.
روغن دیگه به نسبت به 2 ماه گذشته $5-6 بلند رفته. وضعیت اوکراین که سری نرخ‌های روغن در افغانستان خیلی تاثیرات انداخته.
In accordance with a joint news release by the UN Food and Agriculture Organization and the World Food Programme, the Russia-Ukraine crisis continues to put pressure on Afghanistan's wheat supply, food commodities, agricultural inputs and fuel prices. Taj Mohammad Talash, professor from Ashna Private University in Kabul, said that Afghanistan is not importing as much food as before the crisis from the two major food exporters.
کشور اوکراین جمع روسیه هر آن اقلامی که در بازارهای جهانی و منطقوی کشور دست دوم مثل قزاقستان، آذربایجان، ترکمنستان، ازبکستان و صادر می نمود و از او به دست دوم وارد خاک افغانستان می شد. اما آمارشان در سالهای 2018 و 2019 حدوداً تا 10 و 15 میلیون دلار هم تخمین شده.
Besides, years of conflicts and U.S. sanctions have also left the unsettled country reeling. According to an analysis by the WFP and FAO, an estimated 22.8 million people in Afghanistan, more than half the country's population, are facing potentially life-threatening levels of food insecurity. On May 19, the Taliban-led Afghan caretaker government banned wheat exports in a move to ensure food security and prevent a shortage of wheat, but the rising trend of food prices in Afghanistan has not been eased.